Unit 1. My Land. Chapter 1. Together we can. Let us recite. Together we stand, strong and tall, helping each other. We never fall. Cheering aloud. We shout and sing. Teamwork can overcome anything. Win or lose, we always share. Our bond of trust is always there. With each hand joined, the goal is near. Team spirit fills the air with cheer. Together we shine, our hearts as one, for in our team, the joy's begun. Let us think. A. Answer the following. 1. What happens when you join hands with your team? 2. Why is helping each other important? B. Think and discuss. 1. What makes you feel joyful? 2. Can you think of a good activity that you can do together with a friend? 3. Have you ever lost a game? How do you feel? 4. Imagine you are a team leader of a group project and two of your teammates disagreed with each other for some reason. What would you do to unite the team again? Let us speak. Darsna, I love my country. We have different traditions, food, festivals, and languages, but we still stand in unity. Yes, Bokali, together we stand in unity. Read what Bokali and Darshana are saying. Turn to your friend sitting beside you and exchange the conversation with each other. Share what foods and festivals you like the most and say a few lines about them. Hello, I am. My favorite food is. My favorite festival is. In this festival, let us learn. A. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks by using words from the box. 1 is done for you. 1. A bundle of sticks. A dash of sheep is. 3. A dash of wolves. 4. A dash of flowers. A dash of trees. A dash of bees. 7. A dash of boys. A dash of keys. Do you know? Honeybees use a waggle dance to communicate with their hive members. They share the exact location of flowers having nectar, pollen, or water sources. Ants also work as a team, using signals to find food, defend their colony, and build complex nests. B. Look at the map given below and pay attention to the various places mentioned in it. There is a hospital, bank, post office, school, bookstore, children park. Now fill in the blanks with the words chosen from the box. Behind, between, near, in front of. First, the post office is dash the hospital. 2. There is a bookstore dash the children's park. 3. The bank is dash the school. 4. There is an ambulance dash the post office and the hospital. Let us write. A. Look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. Question 1. What is Lubang doing to help his injured friend? And what will they do next? Question 2. What are Obang, Manya, and Tina doing? And what will they do next? Question 3. What is Anna doing? And what will the old lady do next? Question 4. What are Zakir, Gulpreet, and Gilashri doing? And what will they do next? Question 5. What are the students doing? And what will the teacher do next? Let us do. A. Working together. Create your symbol for togetherness by following the simple steps given below and paste a picture of what you have created in the box given. Materials required: plain paper, pencil or pen, crayons or any sketch pens, and scissors. Steps for this activity: 1. Take a sheet of paper and fold it into half. Step 2. Draw on one side half a body, including the head, neck, hand, dress, leg, and shoe. You can draw a boy or a girl. Step 3. Cut the paper along the drawing with scissors. Step 4. Unfold the paper gently. Step 5. Color the image based on your choice of crayons or sketch pens. B. Paste a picture in the space provided of what you have created. Note to the teacher. Page 3. Model the conversation for learners. Sentences may be added or simplified according to the learning level of the learners. Encourage the learners to talk in pairs or small groups by following the conversation etiquette of taking turns. You may write the lines on the board to provide a structure. However, it is advised to encourage learners to add their inputs. Page 5. You may discuss the picture with respect to the prepositions in their mother tongue or L1 before proceeding to the English counterparts. Page 7. Draw the learner's attention to the use of will to talk about events that will take place in the future.